In the atom radium, it was observed that the isotopes were unstable, containing too many protons or neutrons. This resulted in decay, the disintegration into lesser elements, and with it, released energetic rays. Marie Curie and her husband Pierre coined this process as radioactivity. This radioactivity had already piqued the interest of scientists who wanted to think of its applications and possibilities. Time passed and nuclear science came along, and with developments such as nuclear medicine, nuclear engineering, and nuclear agriculture. The globe was introduced to the atom, and today, the Philippines, with the establishment of the Philippine Nuclear Research Institute, brings the atom to its people. Mutation breeding, along with other nuclear analytic techniques, has been used by the PNRI to enhance agricultural crops such as ornamentals, adlai, mangosteen, cashew, and rice varieties. Radiation is also implemented in techniques to analyze pollution and toxins. Hospitals in the Philippines takes in 600 microsieverts to 6,900 microsieverts of radiation. This radiation comes from technologies such as X-ray examinations, chest CT scans, and PET CT scans, typically used to determine the presence of cancer, and many more. As of 2018, the Philippines has had 33 nuclear medicine facilities licensed by the PNRI, along with 36 radiotherapy centers and hospitals. Nuclear technology involves itself more and more into our lives, and with it, the potential for an even greater future can be realized.